this?
A bee house.
What did we make it out of?
Wood. Actually, we bought it.
We bought the house.
What are those
for
little?
$2.
What are those little holes in the middle?
The holes are for the bees to go in.
Yeah.
What are they made of?
Straws. And this is what we are going to learn, and this is everything what we're going to sign up for our garden, so we remember what's in our garden.
And what's on there?
Bees, birds, and plants.
That's right. And what kind of bees do we have?
Mason bees.
And what kind of birds do we have?
All kinds.
And chickens.
And chickens.
And
And a
chickadees. And crows. Yeah.
And Mom,
Yes.
2 bunks.
So we have 3 kinds of houses here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3 kinds.
Yeah. We have this one
Bees.
for bees, and this one for bees.
This
this
one's
one.
for bees.
And then we made these ones too, that we're just going to hang up and hope
And
that
these?
these come in as well.
And the birds live in these.
Yeah.
Baby
And
birds.
these are the baby bird houses that we'll put all around because we have lots of chickadees now.
And these ones are mine.